In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of GitHub and learn how to make your voice heard by commenting on issues. Whether you're new to GitHub or a seasoned user looking to enhance your collaborative skills, this guide is tailored to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're equipped to contribute to discussions effectively. First off, let's talk about GitHub. It's a vast ecosystem where developers and enthusiasts collaborate on projects, track issues, and improve software together. One key way to participate in this collaborative effort is by commenting on GitHub issues. Comments allow you to ask questions, provide feedback, and contribute to project development. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the GitHub homepage. Open your web browser and type in github.com. This will take you to the platform where everything happens. Upon arriving at the homepage, you'll find yourself at the doorstep of an extensive network of projects and discussions. Since GitHub is a collaborative platform that requires user authentication, our next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the login page. Once you're at the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your username or the email address associated with your GitHub account. Remember, your username is your unique identifier on GitHub, so ensure you enter it correctly. Next, you'll enter your password. It's your key to accessing your account, so make sure you type it in precisely as you have set it. With both fields filled, you're ready to press the Sign In button. This action confirms your identity and grants you access to your GitHub dashboard, the command center for all your GitHub activities. From the dashboard, our journey continues to the heart of collaboration on GitHub issues. To get there, you'll want to open the menu. Look for the menu button. It's your gateway to navigating GitHub's various features and sections. In the menu, you'll spot the Issues section. This is where all the magic happens. Issues are used to track ideas, enhancements, tasks, or bugs for work on GitHub. They're a fundamental part of any project hosted on the platform. Upon clicking on Issues, you're transitioning to the realm where collaboration is at its peak. Within the Issues section, you'll notice the option to view all of GitHub or narrow down to issues specific to repositories you're involved with. For the purpose of this guide, we'll explore the broader GitHub universe by selecting all of GitHub. This allows us to search and comment on issues across all public repositories. Now it's time to find a topic or project that interests you. Use the search bar to look for topics, keywords, or specific repositories. GitHub's powerful search tool can help you find exactly what you're looking for or discover something entirely new. Once you've honed in on a topic or repository, click on it to dive deeper. For our example, let's say you found an intriguing repository. The next step is to engage with it by looking at the Issues tab. This tab showcases all the ongoing discussions and points of collaboration within the repository. Clicking on the Issues tab reveals a list of active issues. These are invitations to contribute your thoughts, report bugs, or request features. To participate in an existing discussion, look for an issue that interests you and click on it. Inside an issue, you'll find a conversation among contributors discussing various aspects of the project. To add your voice to the conversation, look for the comment field. This is where you can type in your thoughts, feedback, or questions. Before you proceed, a quick heads up. GitHub places some restrictions on new accounts to prevent spam. As a new user, your ability to comment might be limited initially. This is a standard security measure to ensure the integrity of discussions. Compose your comment carefully, being mindful to contribute constructively to the discussion. Once you're satisfied with your input, hit the comment button to post it. Congratulations! You've officially participated in GitHub's collaborative culture by commenting on an issue. In summary, commenting on GitHub issues is a fantastic way to engage with projects and contribute to the open source community. From signing in, navigating to the dashboard, exploring issues, finding a topic, to posting a comment, each step you've taken today is a leap towards becoming an active GitHub contributor. Remember, your insights and feedback are valuable to the ongoing development and improvement of projects on GitHub. Happy commenting and see you in the next tutorial.